Fast sessions are suitable for everyone who wishes to develop their swimming fitness, technique and skills. Our fast sessions act as an exit route from the adult swimming lessons, and those sessions are also aimed at those wishing to develop their swimming to take part in competitive triathlon events. Fast membership gives swimmers a range of benefits, including expert coaching with regular feedback, video analysis, open motor techniques, opportunity to complete timed swims, swimming stroke length and stroke rate analysis, swimming aligned to seasonal training requirements such as those taking part in triathlons. In the summer months, swimming at North Dock in Techneg. All sessions are delivered by qualified and experienced coaches, and sessions are structured to cater for all abilities. We have introduced 3 fast stages, Fast 1, Fast 2 and Fast 3, to reflect the fact that people will have different starting points and needs. This approach will help ensure the pathway as swimmers move from one level to the next.
What I find really good is that it helps me to develop through the stages, so I can individually progress from, beginner through to a more expert level, which is really, really good for me. The coaches are fantastic in helping me progress through that. They give me loads of pointers, loads of expert tips, and from an individual point of view, I find that it gives me great satisfaction to know that I've progressed through those stages.